faster because traffic can't go fast. It was just one of the most traditionally tight streets in the whole city.
Yeah, and that's why I think here it probably does make sense. But there are a lot of one-way streets that I think might stay one-way just because you can take out a lane and put in a protected bike lane. Right? So there are lines when one-ways are really good. But, and this one, I think, is one of those. Some of the one-ways where the protected bike lanes are in now, great. But again, when it ends up speeding up traffic, it's really the wrong tool. And I have seen so many speeding cars in this town that just totally surprised me that anyone could be that rude, including both taxi cabs we were in. Think about it in your towns. Maybe there are some streets that are ready for that kind of a transition, but there are times you want to keep a one-way. But certainly one of the worst things about one-ways is out of route, out of direction travel. And again, if it speeds up traffic, it's probably not the effect you want.
Yeah. We're going to head up and stand here to the Woodward project now, which is
okay, from these two directions. It's messy, and yet it works. And it's to me, nothing you would ever want to change because people are being polite. As Brent pointed out, it's a very slow environment, and I think that's why it does work. But if again, you're trying to be really efficient, you figure out some other way to move traffic faster. But this is the right way to do it. But I do like this intersection a lot.
So there will be some people who say, don't pedestrianize it. And I might have been one of those people. I've been very skeptical of pedestrian streets. They have killed many retail streets around North America. The question is, have we gotten to a point in the evolution of this neighborhood in the city where it could survive as a pedestrian street and thrive and become something new? Because you're not taking busy traffic off it, you're taking tamed traffic off it. So it's a different kind of push. And there'll be people who would fight pedestrianization. And they're not just car people, they're urbanists who say that slow, tamed cars add something to the context. And they have a point. So there's not a right and wrong.
And think of the sound of these paver stones. It's also part of the slowing effect.
The texture.
The texture, the color.